Man, what is popping with you guys on the... Damn. Man, what is popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck, back at it again, you know what I'm saying? How everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? You guys, we just literally just smacked 500 subscribers, man. Roll to 1,000 subs, you guys. We need 500 more. I can't believe 500 people actually subscribe to me. I mean... real talk, man, you guys, I appreciate everybody who hit that sub button for real. Alright, let's get into the video, man. As you guys see in the title, you know what I'm saying? It's some real shit. Yeah, my boss told me to stop trading. I just kind of want to break it down to you guys so you can see, you know, my thoughts and really what I'm going through on my Forex journey. This is the journey, you know what I'm saying? Forex journey, I ain't holding nothing back. I was just getting ready to shoot a video for you guys revealing my trading plan. Before I got to shoot the video the same day, my boss tells me, hey, you know, there's no more trading at work. You can't trade at work anymore. So you guys, basically in a nutshell, I have to revise the way I attack the charts. I basically have to change my trading plan. As you guys know, I worked during New York session and I kind of based my trading plan around the New York session. And I have a lot of free time at work where I'm able to analyze the charts and put in trades. If you guys see my last video, I said I was gonna trade at work until it didn't work no more. As you guys know, I was trading US 30 and it looks like I won't be trading US 30 anymore for the time being. US 30 is mainly moving in the New York session, so I really don't want to trade that anymore. I'm gonna start to look at different sort of pairs to trade. Been kind of looking at the GBP USD, you know, GBP JPY, pairs like that. But now I have to make the ultimate sacrifice, and that is to sacrifice sleep. I don't want to trade the Asian session. That's just something I don't want to do. I felt like it was given off to me too easy. You know, I'm making money while I'm at work. Now I'm looking at it as a challenge being put in my way, an obstacle. I actually have to sacrifice something even greater to really be great at this trading. You know, I'm not gonna quit trading just because of this or get discouraged. You wanna take away trading from me at work? That's cool. I'm gonna trade while I'm not at work, you know. I'm gonna sacrifice my sleep because this is something that I really want in this life. That's basically what I got from it, you guys. I'm looking at this as kind of like a blessing in disguise. You know, when I was trading too, I wasn't really fully focused on trading while I was here at work because I still had people coming in asking me questions, or I had to leave my desk to go help people out. You know, when I'm trading London session by myself, I feel like I'm gonna be more focused. You know, I won't have any distractions. You know, I just gotta push through and, you know, get into a schedule, get into a motion. I'm not gonna give up because I know this could set me free from working 9 to 5. I'm not gonna get discouraged or, you know, stop trading. I'm just gonna revise my plan. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, how I'm gonna work at work. You know, how I'm gonna make money at work. It's like a double whammy. It's like unfair almost. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm gonna be looking into different pairs. You guys, if you can, comment below on some pairs you think I should trade during the London session. I'm gonna do my own research as well, but I love to hear from you guys. Go ahead and comment anything below. If you comment, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna respond to your comment. I'm not a big channel, obviously, you know what I'm saying? That's it for this video, you guys. My next video is gonna be revealing my trading plan. So I have to put together my new trading plan, you know, look at new pairs. And that video will be coming out for you guys, hopefully in this next week. Appreciate everybody, you know, helping me through my Forex journey. I see everybody's comments. I got a lot of suggestions, a lot of advice. You guys are really helping me out, man. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, you know what I'm saying? We only going up from here. I'm not gonna forget nobody when this pop, because this channel popping, this trading popping. That's basically it, man. Appreciate you guys for watching, and the way it looks, I'm afraid to talk.